Hello, welcome back to Viral etc. It's been a long time. So anyway, in this video, essentially it's going to be a silent build. So this is the only part in which I'm going to talk to introduce what I'm doing. It was time to update one of my Linux home servers. I have two home Linux server and I upgraded one of them. And this is the build of that. I had some issue getting a GPU. If you're here in 2025 trying to buy a GPU, you know how expensive they are. So long story short, I tried buying used GPUs. I ended up being scammed out of one of them. One of them did not work. The other one, I don't know, something with the power cable is not working. Note in the picture that the person you see building, that's my wife. This is the first time in her entire life she's putting together a computer or doing anything like this. And she did more than 90% of the work. Like I said, I've been really busy and I literally was too busy to even build this computer. She did it with some guidance. All right, enough talking. Here are those videos and pictures. Enjoy.